Welcome to the Energy Pack Kids TV. In this video we will learn types of vegetables name in English. Artichoke. This is artichoke. Arugula. This is arugula. Asparagus. This is asparagus. Beet. This is beet. Bell pepper. This is bell pepper. Bitter melon. This is bitter melon. Bok choy. This is bok choy. Brussels sprout. This is Brussels sprout. Carrot. This is carrot. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Chayote. This is chayote. Celery. This is celery. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Collard greens. This is collard greens. Chinese cabbage. This is Chinese cabbage. Chickpea. This is chickpea. Corn. This is corn. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Daikon radish. This is daikon radish. Eggplant. This is eggplant. Edamame. This is edamame. Fennel. This is fennel. Garlic. This is garlic. Ginger. This is ginger. Green beans. This is green beans. Green onion. This is green onion. Horseradish. This is horseradish. Iceberg lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce. Jicama. This is jicama. Kale. This is kale. Kohlrabi. This is kohlrabi. Mushroom. This is mushroom. Onion. This is onion. Okra. This is okra. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Radish. This is radish. Zucchini. This is zucchini. Tomato. This is tomato. Cilantro. This is cilantro. Radicchio. This is radicchio. Spinach. This is spinach. Potato. This is potato. Red chili. This is red chili. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.